to invest in selection? What are the key takeaways here?
I think it really boils down to understanding, your own personal risk tolerance, your investment goals, and your time horizon. How long are you willing to wait for a potential return?
Okay, so let's break that down. What should an investor consider when it comes to risk tolerance? What are the red flags here?
Well, first and foremost, investing in Selection it's not for the faint of heart. It's this stock is incredibly volatile, and there's no guarantee of success. So if you're someone who panics at big price swings, or can't stomach the possibility of losing a significant portion of your investment, well, Selection is probably not a good fit.
Okay, so buckle up. This is going to be a bumpy ride.
It is. And then there's the question of investment goals. Are you looking for a quick return, or are you willing to hold on to the stock for the long haul? Maybe even years.
Because this isn't a get rich quick scheme, right?
Absolutely not. Biotech investing, it's a marathon, not a sprint. It can take years, sometimes decades, for a company to develop a drug, get it approved, and then actually start generating revenue. So patience is really key here.
So this is really for the patient investor, someone who has a long-term vision.
Exactly. And if you're in it for the long game, well, then the potential rewards could be substantial.
But remember, there are no guarantees in this game.
Right. Absolutely. And lastly, there's the time horizon. If you need access to your money in the short term, say within the next year or two, well, investing in Selection might not be the best move. The stock it's likely to remain volatile, and you could end up selling at a loss if you need to cash out quickly.
So this is really an investment for those who have a long-term perspective and who can ride out the inevitable turbulence of the biotech market.
Precisely. And there are there's some upcoming catalysts that could have a significant impact on the stock price. So it's not just a matter of buy and hold and forget about it. You really have to stay on top of things.
Oh, like what kind of catalysts?
Well, for one, Selection's Q4 2024 earnings, they're overdue. They're supposed to be released on February 26th, but we haven't seen them yet. So those results, they could provide more insight into the company's financial health and their plans for the future.
That's a little concerning. Does this delay raise any red flags for you about their transparency?
It's definitely something to keep an eye on, yeah. And of course, any further updates on SIL-204, especially if they continue to show those impressive results in human trials, that could significantly impact the stock. So there's definitely a lot to watch out for.
Okay, so